Mr. Guys, do you really want to know how to make the best Jamaican stew chicken? Come, let's do this together. So the first thing I'm going to do is fry the fat so we can get some oil. Guys, while the chicken skin frying, we're going to season up our chicken back. I'm going to use a spoonful of green seasoning. I'm also using some Worcestershire sauce. I don't want to say it pronounced, but you know that go. A little. Then we're going in with our Maggi all-purpose seasoning. A big old lump here. And also our Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm gonna add some paprika. Just add a little red pepper flakes. So then we put only a little because we just missed the video of doing that. The green season do have in garlic and pimento, but I'm gonna add some extra garlic and pimento. So now I'm just gonna go in and just rub everything together. Rub it in properly. Everything coated, you know, the crevice and everything should be looking something like this. Okay, I'm just gonna set this aside and allow it to marinate for maybe like an hour or half an hour, maybe like an hour, and then we'll come back. We're going to turn it again. You can check it. Once you start to have enough oil, you can always take it off. But for me, I'm going to, whoa! Fuck. I'm going to eat it, so I'm going to fry them all the way through. I did, I'm sorry. I believe it's all these on my hands are burned. But yeah, just spray that oil. You know, the chicken that my always from my daughter. Don't come in the kitchen if you spray that oil. But yeah. Alright, so then let's take them out of the oil now. And place them on a paper and towel. Remove the excess oil. Now I'm going to pour off some of the oil in my Dutch pot and allow that to hot. Guys, we're using the sugar method. If you don't understand the sugar method or you don't want to use the sugar method, when you're seasoning the chicken, add some browning or soy sauce on your chicken, and then you skip the burning of sugar process and go straight into pouring your meat inside the pot and just stir it occasionally. So we're gonna move from that, the sugar part, onto whatever else we're doing. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a spoon of brown sugar. I'm just gonna allow this to burn slow and steady. And guys, remember, stand over your pot, because as soon as you move from it, it's gonna start burning. I wonder. Oh, that. So stand over the pot and just watch it. Watch the movement, watch the color where you like, and work with that. And if you don't know to control it too much, turn the stove down. One side of bubbles, so I'm just gonna just stir it so that everything can brown at the same time. Right, so once you know the color what you like, that's when you're gonna pour it in. And guys, one more thing, if you pour the chicken in too soon, you're gonna have some sweet chicken. So that's the next thing you have to look out for. All right, so now I'm gonna pour in the chicken. Oy. Just gonna stir. So we're gonna stir occasionally until we get the desired color on the chicken that we like. Hope you guys hear me. So let it sit for like a minute, then you go in and turn it again. Half a minute, turn it again, whenever, but occasionally you have to stir it so that the chicken can get that nice color before adding any form of liquid to the pot. So after another minute, I'm going to turn it again. The cutter slide out of the stove. Turn it again, let it sit, and then come back again. Alright, so this have a nice color. Still not gonna add no water to it. No more like cover it and make it take time to explain. And meantime, we'll cut up some vegetable. Now we'll cut up some vegetable. Onion. We have some green bell pepper. That's my already used green seasoning, so the bell pepper mainly for decoration and purposes. I'm not a bell pepper lover. I don't eat bell pepper really and truly. I just like see it on the food, if that makes sense. Just appealing to the eyes. Alright, so I'll go with some red. Some thyme, pepper, and I cut up the chocho. can put Irish potato too if you don't have chocho or carrot. You know, may I put some carrot in my stew chicken too? Should I? Or just put the one chocho? May I just put the one chocho and leave the carrot alone? Alright, we get out the middle. Just cut this down in half. And then it's easier for cut out outside. Alright, rinse it off. Same thing. Alright. And then we just dice him up. Like that. Alright, so we have this for going at the pot. Come to see where I'm going for the pot here. All of us are tongue don't call me. No, sir. Alright, you see? There's no water in there. I see it's full of all of that water. So just I'll continue to make this cook with that same liquid here. Now add no more water to it. So cover it. Make the pot go and do its thing. Okay, I go again, and look again, shit. I swear the pot here won't burn me up. Alright, so that looks good. Not cook it, you know, but just look good. Mess up the slow. Alright, so it cook slow and steady. So I still not add no water because it don't need no water. So just cover the pot, make it go and do its thing. Alright, this looks good. So we are going with the thyme, the pepper, and onion. Along with chocho. Right. I'll get the spatula. I like stir my meat with my spatula. Me not like my meat rock up, you know. So my spatula, my best friend. Just a little water, not too much, just a little bit. Alright, when this go down, we're going to taste it and adjust the flavor if it's necessary. We're going to allow this to go down first. Okay guys, one more thing. If you like ketchup in your stew chicken, this is where you'd add the ketchup. If I'm going to add ketchup, I would have to add some sugar. So I'm going to taste my pot first, and I doubt I'm going to want the ketchup. So if you like ketchup, go in and add your ketchup at this point. Alright, so I add the bell pepper then now. Just sort of get a nice look. You don't have to add bell pepper, guys. Alright. This is the finished product. So I'm just gonna cover it for maybe like 2 minutes, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.